Tesla bot showcases its strength by lifting a piano with a single motor. Wow. And the guy keeps playing it as well. Except
he does, yeah.
His foot can't find the pedal, though, because it's been lifted up.
He's a master, so he improved. But there's a video here.
Oh, okay, let's do this.
But can you play this?
Yeah, this is probably fair use, depending which recording it is. But I'm going to just keep talking, so there's less of a chance for there to be a problem. Well, here's the thing. We're zooming out, and we are seeing a huge kind of...
actuator?
Yeah. And
motor?
Straps, which they kind of look like chains, actually. And a Converse shoe, and the piano is being played while it's sort of hovering as it's being lifted and lowered ever so slightly by this. But what does that have to do with the Tesla? Oh, that's the Tesla bot's leg actuator. That's how strong the leg is of the Tesla bot?
Yeah.
Is that supposed to make me feel...
I don't know.
That's
impressive.
Strong. What about when he's...
It overpowers you.
What about when he squashes my honeydew melon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Tesla's LaterClips is the one playing the piano in the video, so he works for Tesla? Cool.
Yeah.
At its AI day, Tesla did note that it believes its latest robot equipped with its own actuators should be able to walk in the coming weeks. Tesla doesn't often produce marketing videos like this one, but maybe we'll get one with a walking Tesla bot soon. Yeah, it's true. They're really into this bot. And especially if they're taking the time to produce marketing videos, they want to get us fired up as well.
But would you want like a robot that can have a piston that can lift up
then
a
I'm
piano?
just like, hey, go move that piano. And it's like, okay. Right?
I feel like it's very dangerous.
Absolutely.
I don't know.
I imagine my finger getting like squashed or something but you know what, Will? It's listen, if the whole point of these humanoid robots is to carry out tasks that like complicated tasks or tasks that humans don't want to do, then a lot of those tasks require heavy lifting. And you would want it to be over-engineered beyond the point of breakage.
But he also said that, hopefully a person can overpower it.
Oh, yeah, no, you're not overpowering that.
Yeah.
They always say that. Haven't you seen the sci-fi movies?
Yeah.
A person can easily overpower it.
Just
throws you across the room. Yeah, no, we're made of, like, look at us. We're made of goo compared to that.
Oh, yeah.
The thing is
meat sacks.
Rigid and steel and ching, 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 as the bullets just fly off of it. Dented bullets. Just pulls your arms straight out of the socket.
Yeah.
Just grabs onto it and just yanks it out with the actuator. Come on, Will. You've seen all this. You see this in your dreams, don't you?
This is, it's terrifying.
When you're doing your sleep tracking. That's what's really filling your head.
Very impressive.
Tesla bot ripping your arm out of its socket. Don't tell Elon.
Death.